So you haven't made up your mind whether you're getting the iPhone 13 Pro or the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Welcome to Tech Needs. Today I'm going to be providing you guys with information that is going to help you decide which of the two should you go with. You are wondering, should I spend the $100 more between the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max? What am I getting for $100 more? Is it even worth buying the iPhone Pro Max or just stick with the iPhone 13 Pro? Well, guys, today you are here in the right place, and I am going to break down everything that you need to know and let you know which one you will be choosing because I will be helping you. So let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what is similar between both of the phones. One of them is the new A15 Bionic chip. And you're wondering, why do I need to know that? Well, you need to know that because it's very important. This is what pretty much controls the entire phone. It makes it go faster. Allows you to do different things and is about 50% better, just to put it like this, than the iPhone 12. So that's a big, huge jump that you've already are going to get if you go to from either model. Now you're getting also 120 hertz ProMotion display from both phones. So the refresh rate is going to be very fast, whether you're playing video games or watching movies and colors are changing left and right, then either phone is good for you. The camera wise, now here is where you get the bump between the regular iPhone 13 and the camera itself. You're getting on both models 3 lens on the rear. You get 12 megapixels for telephoto, 12 megapixels wide, and 12 megapixels ultra wide lens. Key camera features include 6 times optical and 50 times digital zoom, range, deep fusion, night mode, Apple Pro RAW, sensor shift, optical stabilization, portrait, and smart HDR4. So you're getting a lot for that camera for either model. Both devices sell at a similar storage configuration: 256, 512, and 1 terabyte, as well as 128 gigabytes if you want to go that route. iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max include 5G support for sub 6 gigahertz and wave, meaning that it will give you a better connection overall. They both have the IP68 rating. You can go, it's against dust and also against water. I believe it's 20 meters for about 30 minutes long. Now, this is what you want to know. The difference. What am I going to get for each one? And this is what's going to make up. I believe there's 2 factors why you might decide for either one. And I'm going to be letting you guys know. Also, guys, don't forget to check out the links in the description. If you want to buy any of this phone, just click the links that are in the description. Also have other videos in regards to the iPhone 13 if you want to know more also. One of the biggest difference is the display. The display on the iPhone Pro Max, it's a lot bigger than the iPhone Pro. One is 6.1 and the other one is 6.7. I believe if you don't mind carrying a bigger phone in your pocket, in your purse, or just wherever you go, if you don't mind having that bigger phone, 6.7, then probably spending those $100 may or may not be a bad option. It just depends if you don't mind the size of it. I believe for some people, having a bigger phone, especially for those, it's more like for ladies that have smaller hands, and some guys have smaller hands too. It's harder to hold a bigger phone and just do different things around it. That's just my personal opinion. I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section below. Another huge difference, I think this is where it comes, maybe it'll be the breaking point, is the battery. The iPhone Pro Max promises more screen time than the iPhone 13 Pro. According to Apple, you're going to get about 24 hours of playback, 6 more hours than the 13 Pro. So if you're looking for more for your phone to stay alive even longer, probably the Pro Max and those $100 will not be a bad idea. The iPhone 13 Pro Max can charge from 0 to 50% in 35 minutes. That is giving you a lot of juice in such a short time. If you want to use the Apple's 20 watts adapter that is sold separately, you can get that, and it's going to speed up your charging, especially when you're running late, or you're trying to go somewhere fast and you just want a quick charge. Then that's a good option if you want to go that route. Now the price itself. The iPhone 13 Pro starts at $999, while the bigger iPhone 13 Pro Max starts at $1099 for the 128 gigabytes. So if you want to go 256, 512, or 1 terabyte, the prices are $1099, $1299, and $1499. And for the Pro Max, you just got to add $100 more. So the big question is, which one should I buy? If you want a bigger phone and you want a longer battery, I would just tell you, spend those $100. It is worth it. Personal opinion is I'd rather have a phone that it's a little bigger so I can browse the net and do different things at one time, and have a battery that will last me longer so I can do other things for a much longer period. That is just my personal opinion, guys. Let me know what you guys feel. If spending those $100 extra for the Pro Max, it is something that you want to do or not. Let me know that in the comment section below. Once again, guys, I want to thank you for watching the videos, and don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is Tron, and I will see you guys on the next Tech Needs video.